Hey guys, it's Cutie Cake here, and today we're going to be playing with some Play-Doh. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I can't open it. Okay, we'll be back when I open it. Okay, so I opened it up, and the colors it comes with: red, orange, yellow, another shade of yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. So I had my mom, my sister, and my cousin put 3 pieces of paper in here, and I asked them to write something that I can make out of Play-Doh. So they did. And the materials I'm going to use is a roller to flatten it out and a plastic knife. So let's open the first one. Okay. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, even though there's 3 papers. But who cares? Okay, so here's the first one. Oh, there's 2. This one says a bowl. So we'll try to do that. So I just got a little platform and changed the screen so you can actually see me, which is a lot better. Oh my god! Fail! Oh my god! Okay, so to open this thing, I had to use scissors because it was so hard. What is this? Okay. Whatever. So, yeah. Okay, a bowl. What color should I make the bowl? I have so many colors, I just don't know anymore. Okay, 4 colors on each side. Okay. Should I make the bowl red or blue? Because I have blue and red bowls. I think I'll make it blue. Yeah. No, I don't want to mess up the fresh new Play-Doh. I love it so much. I don't know why, but I do, so don't judge. That's cold. That's really cold. So, let's start doing it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just like, I hate doing that. It's like messing up the perfectness. Why? That actually smells pretty good. Okay, so no more pausing. We need to do this. Okay. Maybe I should cut off a piece. Okay. So we're going to use this. Flatten it out. I probably should turn off the fan because, oh god. Wrong button. Because I don't want the Play-Doh to dry. Button. Did I say button? I meant flick. Whatever it's called. Did the wrong thing and I made it all dark. Okay. So I'll be back. I just said no. Stop pausing. But I'll be back when I'm finished with smoothing it. Yeah. Okay, so I think I flattened it enough. Maybe too much because it's really thin. Okay, so I'm going to cut it to make it round. Hold on, let me make that part round. Make that part round. Make that. Okay, so it may not be that round. Kind of looks like an egg. But it'll have to do. So all I'm really going to do is just like try to form it so it can be like a little up. Because I'm not that good at making bowls. Or having Play-Doh stand up by itself. Oh my god, this is hard enough. So this is my finished result. Oh god, this is terrible. Okay, I just smashed it on accident. Okay, we'll just do it again. Because that was a fail. And I need to redo it. So I'll be back when I finish doing the second part. I said second part. I meant second bowl because the first one was a fail. Okay, so I kind of made my bowl a little squarish, but that's okay. It didn't say it had to be a circle bowl, and I tried to cut it off so I still had some blue left over for the next one. So, yeah. This is the bowl. Let's do the next one. Let me mix it up. Okay. So, this next one says cake and cupcakes. How? Cake and cupcakes. Okay, so instead of cupcakes, I'll make a cupcake. Yeah. Much better. I don't know, guys. Okay, can we just... Okay, so, I'm gonna make the cake first. So the batter is gonna be vanilla. The frosting is gonna be... I don't know what flavor, but it's gonna be purple. And there has to be a candle. I mean, come on. It's a cake. I'm making a birthday cake, yeah! So the candle will be red with orange light. So this is just the cake. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to cut this off to another video. So, yeah, so check that one out. It's gonna be part 2 of this. I don't know what this is gonna be called. I think I'll call this video making stuff with Play-Doh. Oh, poop. Part 1. So, yeah. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye! Yay, you've made it to the end of the video. So, if you didn't notice, there was a petkin sitting right here. Who was it? Was it Jade Spade, Big Topping, or Drinky Drink? Let me know in the comments down below. So, I'll see you next time in the next video of making stuff with Play-Doh. Bye!